Why did you decide to come out to Coachella?
Well, I'm working.
Okay.
So I'm doing hair and doing some energy wear. And I was just really excited about the music and dancing, and the people, the weather, the love.
Well, first of all, for all the amazing music, all the genres, fun, party, meet new people, friends, and be free.
It's a lot about the music, but it's also about connecting with friends from different states that you only get to see once a year. So it's just a really good time because not only do you get to be out here in this beautiful desert, but you also get to go home and like party and be in the pool. And it's about connecting with other people.
There's hundreds of excellent bands. There's thousands of interesting people everywhere. I live here and I could not be at home right now and not be here. Like, I would cry if I was not here right now. It's my 7th year and I love it.
What I see out here, this is what a free society looks like. And when you see these people allowed to be who they are and express themselves, they want to be expressed with no judgment or no opinions from others, just a free way of living. I think it's an exciting social experiment into what a community can be like.